everybody, hope everyone's having a good day today. Just wanted to come out and do a first test ride with the new Bassani 2-in-1 exhaust. Give everybody my feedback on what it is and as far as how I like it, and also what I will say is this is really my first time riding a bike since getting the new exhaust on. I don't know if it's a placebo effect or what makes it louder, makes it feel faster or not. I don't know. What I will say is that the bike definitely feels peppier, and I don't know if that's just strictly because of the being able to hear the bike now, or if it is something to do with performance. It could be a little bit of both, don't really know. But I will tell you, if you hear that, man, it sounds good. So I do like it. As Jim Carrey would say, I like it a lot, right? But anyway, I don't know, I probably screwed that up. But no, I just wanted to get out and do a ride, get out and let everybody hear what the bike sounds like on the road. Sorry if the road is not the best through here, so if it's cracking up some, or the sound, my talking and all, it's definitely because I feel like I'm going over rumble strips. So, but anyway, feel sorry for that person there. So figured I'd come out and do a little ride. So tell everybody what I'm up to on the channel, and kind of some thoughts. So really some thoughts around what the upgrades I'm gonna be doing. So I am gonna be doing if you go back and watch my previous channel, I am gonna be doing some risers and all on the bike. And in saying that, they should be here in a few days, and I'll do a quick unboxing of that, of what I've got there. Now, unfortunately, on my bike, I did buy the 2022 Rider S non-ABS, and with that, you have a hard time finding the brake cables, or the brake lines, I'm sorry, the brake lines, and you have to replace the whole set. Now with the way things are currently right now, there are things that are back ordered. So the people that I ordered the brake line assembly from, they don't actually make one for this bike yet, but they have one that they have verified will work with the brakes. They're safe. They actually sell these kits to Harley, the dealerships, so they can do bars and risers and stuff like that on the bikes when they go to sell them and things, or if somebody buys a bike and they want that on there, so they do that. Unfortunately, with mine, it's probably going to be mid-December before I'm able to get the the block assembly and all in. So I'm trusting on what they're telling me is correct, because once I do the brake assembly and all on this bike, then I won't be able to, if it is wrong, if it's not the right one, then I will end up, the bike will be down until I'm able to resolve that issue. So hopefully that is the right one, and I'll post all that in my video. I'll probably do a video strictly about the brake line assembly for those that are out there that want to know exactly what it is and what it looks like and all that. So I will say that. So y'all do know I'm going to be putting risers and all on. I'm probably going to keep these bars. I actually like the bars. They actually fit really well. They're just too low right now. That's really the only complaint I have with them, is I am a little bit hunched over, so the bike is not quite as comfortable to ride. But as I get out and I do those things to the bike, you know, I do want to do videos, do some install videos, share my experience with everyone, and I'm going to try not to draw out the video and make it really long to where, you know, people just want to skip through it. I want to try to keep the video short, to the point, so you, the viewers out there, can actually see what's going on and decide if it's something that you want to tackle and do yourself, or do you want to give it to a dealership and let them do it. So I'm going to attempt to do mine on my own. Hopefully I won't get into a position where I overstep my abilities and I'll get it on, which I very rarely have done that. Things that I don't feel comfortable with, I'll usually save up my money and pay the professionals for it. So so I am going to be doing the bars and risers. I am doing a lighting upgrade on the bike, so all that has been ordered. Should be in hopefully this week. If not this week, the first of next week. I did get it is being sent out to me, and saying that, I don't want anybody to get the wrong impression. I am paying for this out of my own pocket, so I don't think my channel is big enough or to the point yet that that somebody really wants to sponsor me. So I'm really not gonna try that yet. Maybe one day. So lighting upgrade be coming. I do have a fairing install. I've already got it. It's boxed up at the house. I don't know if I'm gonna, I'll probably go ahead and do an install video maybe one day this week or next week, just to go ahead and get it on there. It is getting colder, and it will be nice to get some of that it will be nice to get some of that wind off of me. I was gonna ride the road glide today, and I haven't been able to ride in a few weeks now, just because of work, and we had a family member pass away, so I had to deal with some personal issues and things like that, and we miss her dearly. And with all the colder weather coming through, and I know I don't have it near as cold as other people do, but I really wasn't able to ride, and just to be honest with you, the battery went dead. So I got it on the charger right now, and hopefully it'll be charged up and good to go by tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice the next couple of days, and I do want to get some riding in. So the Lord blesses us with good weather and I can do it, then I will definitely go and do some riding. So I do got that. I do want to do some floorboards. I'm saying floorboards. Maybe some I don't know what they're called, the mini floorboards or whatever. I do have really big feet, and I do think that putting some boards on the bike, or at least putting some little mini floorboards or something wider than just a peg on there will help me with my comfort and all, because I got a lot of foot hanging off of each side of these little bitty pegs, and I think I just feel a little more comfortable with it. With some little mini floorboards or some pegs, or different pegs, I should say. So other than that, I really don't have a whole lot of other things that I'm going to end up doing to the bike that I know of right now. I may in the future decide to put a cam and tune in it and do something like that, but I'm not exactly sure yet. This is a pretty little town right here, kind of coming through the historical part of it. Something going on right there. They putting them in handcuffs, putting them in the handcuffs.